Welcome to MotorMax, where we bring you the latest updates and reviews on all things automotive. Today, we're diving into an exciting new release from Harley Davidson, the 2025 Harley Davidson X350A bike that's making waves in the motorcycle world for its sleek design, performance, and a step forward in Harley's global expansion. Let's break down what makes this bike special. Overview of the 2025 Harley Davidson X350. The 2025 Harley Davidson X350 is a new entry in Harley's lineup, designed to capture the attention of both experienced riders and newcomers to the Harley brand. It's a compact and stylish sport motorcycle, engineered with precision to offer the perfect combination of power, performance, and handling. Harley Davidson has often been associated with cruisers, but with the X350, they're branching into the lightweight and agile category. This motorcycle is powered by a 353cc liquid-cooled engine, a size that's perfect for both city commuting and open-road adventures. The engine offers a solid balance of performance and fuel efficiency, making it a practical choice for daily use, without sacrificing the legendary Harley Davidson power. Design and features. The X350 offers a striking design, staying true to Harley Davidson's iconic styling, but with a more modern athletic twist. It has a sharp angular frame with a streamlined look that gives it an aggressive yet approachable feel. The body is lightweight and the bike is designed to be nimble, making it ideal for handling tight corners and urban traffic with ease. Another key feature is its digital dashboard, which brings a contemporary touch to the traditional Harley experience. The dashboard provides easy-to-read information, offering everything from ride modes to fuel consumption data, all at a glance. The X350 also features LED lighting, further enhancing its futuristic design while improving visibility on the road. Technology and safety. When it comes to technology, the X350 doesn't disappoint. This bike comes equipped with modern rider aids like ride-by-wire throttle, a slipper clutch, and dual-channel ABS for enhanced stability during braking. These features work together to ensure a smooth, confident ride whether you're a beginner or a seasoned rider. Additionally, the X350's suspension is optimized for a variety of riding conditions, with fully adjustable front and rear suspension systems that offer a comfortable ride while maintaining control over the bike's dynamics. Global appeal and market impact. The 2025 X350 is Harley Davidson's bold move into markets where smaller bikes are more popular due to varying road conditions and riding preferences. This is not just a bike for the American market. It's a global product aimed at attracting riders in regions like Asia, where smaller motorcycles dominate. By entering this segment, Harley Davidson opens up the possibility of attracting younger riders who are looking for a more affordable and versatile motorcycle without compromising on the premium Harley experience. Conclusion. To sum it up, the 2025 Harley Davidson X350 is an exciting addition to the brand's lineup. Its modern design, powerful yet efficient engine, advanced technology, and broad appeal make it a standout option for a variety of riders. Whether you're a Harley enthusiast or new to the brand, the X350 is poised to offer something fresh and exhilarating in the world of motorcycles. That's it for today's review of the 2025 Harley Davidson X350. Be sure to stay tuned to MotorMax for more updates on the latest bikes, reviews, and everything automotive. See you next time.